Yeah man, boom blast! Greetings to each and everyone, seeing? And right now, when I don't know, say, this is my third episode of my podcast, Ziggy say. Alright, and this episode, I got a reason about the original than Gorgon, Ninjaman, seeing? I couldn't know, say, I'm one of the artists who have get the most loved in the business, the maddest things on stage. So you better keep it locked for that one, you don't want to miss it, see? Right here, so, Ziggy say. Alright, how am I going to meet Ninjaman now? You want to find out, say, around maybe like late 93, early 94. See, Ninjaman forward in a foreign. See, them time I have power with some bridging, some big man. I the youngest youth in the crew. Some big man, have trees and tea and, lippy and the whole of them man there. See? Yeah, man. And you find out, say, them man there and Ninjaman are bonafide. So when Ninjaman goes to one boomer, then in New York, Bushwick, see? Ninja link up with them man there and me and them man are link. So the whole thing does lock in. Them time they have a bridging name, Rambo. See, he's American youth about him know everything about Jamaica. See, he can even me him fool. Remember things say my yardie. Or I find out say man a yardie. See? Then you find out say me have a cousin named Sherlock also. Done with the thing too. Them time there. See, so Ninjaman find out say, yo, me a real my youth. And I tell you say, the man has call me Rima man. See, them time the beer going run we Cause so bush run them time going up. That make it even worse. The gang love the vibes, cause say I am the original gun pan teeth, brush teeth with toothpaste, and Ninjaman that. See? So yeah man, so that's how the whole thing start right there so. So the vibe does kick off nicely and everything. That's all every day. See? From like 94, 95 them time there, me and Ninjaman are rambling in the street. Sometimes Sherlock there road do it too, but every day we in the street, I do road. You see them time there now? Them time there, in producer named Super, them do them time there produce Ninjaman in a foreign, No found no supposed to know Super do them time there. Them time they do one and Shaggy and them man there, tight. Cause I do a top producer them time there in them ear there. Him a produce Ninjaman. See? I do pass right now, so we say rest well in a paradise, Mr. Do. Seeing him in a car accident in a Jamaica recent. I rode him last year and thing on him pass, but Super do, for the people who know, him did a produce Ninjaman them time there in a foreign. Yeah, when we do road. You see them time there now, Ninjaman stay in a Queens, in a hotel named Executive Inn from off the Conwick. Yeah, the Executive Inn. Ninja stayed there for like about 2 years straight. And when them man there in a hotel room, them man have one hotel room. See, him have a main room with him there. Him have another 2 room. And see in them 2 room there, each of them have all a girl in it go and wait upon him. See, in a so Gorgon flex. At them way them flex upon a daily thing. The woman them love him. See? So yeah, cross the street now. Cross the other side of the highway, have another hotel named JD's. Gregory Isaac did a stay over there so. Yeah, see, so me a par around all of them big man, them big artists, them top artists there. As a youth, me dey around them man there. Cause Gregory Isaac start the road with you, See, Ninja Gregory. See, at one point all Dennis Brown and all them man there come visit a Ninjaman at the hotel and all them things there. Yeah, me as a youth dey around them man there, watch all them man there. I burn all them coke. I know say them man used to smoke them coke, and I never hide and seek. See? So we dey around all of them things there with the Gorgon man. We know the thing go. Other artists who used to run Ninjaman at them time there, You have artists like Nicodemus, I'm not talking about Junior Demus. Nicodemus, the father. See, Nicodemus passed, drop out in them time there with diabetes. Cause when the man find out say them have all diabetes, the man never really change up all them eating and change. The man still have flex the same way. Still have beginnings every day and them thing there. And they take him. See? You have Mikey Jarrett there around them time too. See? Yeah. You have Louis Culture. No, Louis Rankin. The late Louis Rankin. Louis Rankin there around them time there. The road with we. See? Major Mackerel. See? You see how Louis, Ninjaman write all tune for them man there. Ninjaman bring the whole of them man there on stage. Because them man nothing really, never really go on for all of them artists. And Ninjaman they run them and I give them all the energy, because Ninjaman are the top artists them time there. You know, from out of Jamaica, and Ninjaman around the place. See? So all them time they walk touch all build more ballroom and all them thing there. And not mash down billboard ballroom. You find out Ninjaman write all the tune. When I wait my favorite tune when touch, when always mash up the place with. Lower ranks, that tune Ninjaman write give me, I say, put on your red dress. No, I say, put on your red jaws and step in our bedroom. I'm gonna show you what a worker man can do. Tonight it will be a special night. I'm gonna teach you how to walk. Make your foot pan shoulder, bedroom bazook. Anytime you enjoy that tune, the place boss. Ninjaman write them tune and give them artists and I pull him. See? Major Mackerel, I'm forward and see all Major Mackerel. Same place in a bushit there. See? I live with a big old man named Patsy. From Bush, give me a youth to there. I'm a big youth now in I'm 20s for sure. Nothing now go on for Mackerel. I can't believe I'm Mackerel this. When me left all out of Jamaica, I'm Mackerel around the place, tune around the place. That man can't touch you on them big tune there. I'm forward in a foreign now as a youth and come see Mackerel. In a bush, nothing now go on. See? Look on all Mackerel shoes, bust out. I mean, I say, them time me say them rub all Mackerel in a bush, because them time the bush hot, you know. If you not, your bush peppery them time there. But through our family run bush them time there. We never have nothing to worry about, because our linkage when we drop in a run Bushwick, my family them run Bushwick. So nobody now touch we do with nothing. See? So that's how the thing go. So Ninjaman have all of them artists around them and start to give them a straight now. I bring them on all on stage. Build more ballroom them time there. Around the place. On Church Avenue. See? You have a Q Club in a Queens. Classic. When them club there, I go on we lock them club there. When we are going to them club there, we don't even get searched. And we're heavy in them club. We don't get searched going to them club there. See? Them time in the 90s, I link with all the 90s to same way. See? Yeah, man. So the thing up. I mean, as a youth amongst them, man, and a full joy. The whole of them flex and I learn a whole heap of things from the Gorgon and the whole of them artists there. See? So, man, I couldn't know the thing go. See? Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. As Ziggy said, I saw it go. Yeah. Alright, now, so when it comes out of a clash thing, the whole world don't know, say, a Ninjaman run that. The man not walk up on stage and test Ninjaman. A Ninjaman run that. Because the man they build tune on the spot. See? You see when Ninjaman goes above and flying and go kill a Shabba Rankin. And we bring all them man they got the airport. Because them time whenever fly down feet, them time that damage shoot are leaking up. See, be a damage shoot to our wear. And I tie a part with head so with some silk kerchief, the silky one, and pretty one them. Every man they tie up, be a damage. See? I saw them thing, the dressing go on them time there. When Ninjaman touch on a murder, Shabba Rankin on stage, Shabba Rankin all crying all them thing there. Then the next slaughteration now when Ninjaman goes to boop and fly down again and go kill Super Cat again. See? And we got bring Ninjaman out go airport them time. Because we never touch down for the thing still. We're there now. Ninjaman go down and go. Him tell you everything how him go kill cat. See? The man give you everything from New York right, that's how him go kill cat. When the man look at cat and say, before you die, my friend, seek the Lord. Reach out and touch him now and believe in his words. Confess your sin to him. Super cat again murder you now. Before you die, seek the Lord. Right now, no more you reverse the earth, make up put in the dead. I don't know what happened after that. Super cat done. See? So all of them things that go on mad, we don't do what happened before the TV happen. Because Ninjaman give you the whole thing from New York. Or I'm going to kill cat and forward. So all of them things that go on, and Ninjaman forward back in the place and thing. See? And one artist, out of all artists, I see, stand up in front of Ninjaman and give him a decent competition, and that is Mad Cabra. Yeah, man, big up to Mad Cabra, man. You don't know, so Mad Cabra, a Ninjaman pitney, a Ninjaman in pattern off the same way. Ninjaman style in DJ, you know. Whole world know that. See? 1 year in New York City, Ninjaman dey on a show, I think Raw Wilkins were there. See, and them time the Cabra, I go on with them thing, Cabra have a name and Cabra have some tune and I go on and, yeah. See? Cabra brave. I love how Cabra brave them time as a youth. Because Ninjaman dey on stage and the DJ and Cabra rub out on stage for him. See? And the place lift up when them say Cabra. And I said, real Cabra that you go do? And Ninjaman go so, have a tune them time there. What him a say? Shut attack, and the boy blood clot shut attack. See? And Ninjaman goes to boop and jaw that pan Cabra. And the place lift up. I say Mad Cabra to hold the mic and go say, if them shut attack, but a kill fi we kill original gun deliver, make them right them will shut attack. Yo, the place lit. Roy Wilkins mash down, man. I build them up to build over Carl Roy Wilkins the next morning, man. Mash down. What me say? I saw Cabra deal with the thing and I say, yo, yeah man, we love that vibes there. See? Boom. Bun. Even Bujo Bantan. When Bujo Bantan, one time Bujo Bantan reach forward in the fire, them time the Bujo Bantan act one and go on with them thing to one. Build more ballroom with the night again. Ninjaman there on the show and thing. See? You see the night there before we evil. After we go so boom. And the people them beg. Put it like the people them beg. Beg for Ninjaman for no you kill Bounty. No, for no kill Bujo Bantan. Ninjaman draw a tune and come and say, make up on the man and make sure it decide. If me put Bujo Bantan one side and place rock on, the people them say, no, leave Bujo and Ninjaman say, alright. And leave him. See? Me I tell you, enough incident will go, enough thing will go up, man. And next time again, we go to book. And I roll through. I see him build, man. Yeah, the amount of time we're going to build more. And next time we roll through, we build more again. And so we park up on Church Avenue. Ninjaman is a man that left him going in. We not left for gun still. And not only Ninjaman alone. We always have machine pan with them time there. Because them time the gun charge, and no big deal. Once the gun all clean, you know, you no prison time for no gun time them time there. See? And when Julian they forward in Asmia and change them thing there and say, any man get caught with gun. The gun 1 year plus the amount of shot each shot is a year. At them time the man start cool long with gun. But before that, we walk with the machine them. See? And Ninjaman goes to boop and forward out of the car. And we walk go to Biltmore and the man him gun down in the man so. Long down and I walk with it so. Because so Ninjaman go on and go like him a wild west, you know. There like him think say it's a movie and act, you know. See? And a police virgin, a police in a vehicle like him spot Ninjaman and goes and look so. And the man see go up on the radio, see the man on the radio. You see by the time I go and turn my head and look back left so, I don't see when Ninjaman turn, you know. We don't see when Ninjaman turn. The place start, body start to scatter where we don't see where the Gorgon. Whole night we look for Ninjaman. I say, where Ninja there? See? That's what goes to boop and move and I say, where Ninja? Yo, it's when we go to boop the next couple of hours pass after Ninjaman go to boop and link with. You know the man saying there? The man saying, I need to carry bottom. The man slide up and one carry bottom and pull himself up and I need this and hold it so. And lift up himself off of the rung. And see it and hold that. See? And police walk up and down about the place and I look and then I see where the man turn and we and the man walk side and side. Me I tell you that. See? I saw the Gorgon state. Yeah man, the Gorgon, yo, are the real than Gorgon, but the bad come like a real ninja bad. When the bad say only a ninja can kill a ninja bad. I saw the thing set man like it's a real ninja. See? Alright. Another time I go to book. Ninjaman have a daughter Connecticut them time. A big girl you know. I think she must have called herself Ninja Princess right now. And thing. Big girl you know man. Maybe 20 enough. See? Them time she about 7, 8. And our mother, our grandmother, I keep a party down at Connecticut. Must Hartford. Them time I think the first me ever go to Connecticut to. See now we go to boop and Ninja say, yo, we roll out. We not bother drive in a personal vehicle. We go to boop and take a taxi. One taxi man will out at the place, I will draw a fee man thing. And say, yo, me, Ninja and Rambo and the taxi man. Them time in the bush, you have a restaurant named Big Man Restaurant. See? Them man they drop out and no one thing. See, them man they open 24/7. And you come off the road at night and you want some food to eat. Row, Big Man was gone. Then I go to boop, buy a big bucket of shrimp from Ninja, from Big Man. And go to the road, Connecticut, Ninjaman say, I go pass through. You know what I mean? She'll keep her thing, him look at that, her grandmother keep her thing. He go roll through and go all her vibes and forward. We go to boop and shot that cut and thing. Alright, so with that cut now, we go into the venue. What I notice with the venue, it come like it's a basement. But we don't really go under the ground ceiling. It's like, it's low. It depends on the ground level, but I saw the ceiling stays right over your head. You can't touch it. And that I remember good about that little place there. So boom, and I want to tell you them time they know, you know. We start all the practice all some true. Because when I'm around them time there, I not really push on music like that, you know. Music dead around because Rambo is a youth where rap to, you know. Seeing? Them man that all acting a movie writer now and them thing there, you know. Seeing? Billy Flames and new name, Tido. Seeing? But them time there, we start all our practice a little thing with me and Ninjaman now. Seeing? And with that kind of cut, Ninjaman bring one up on stage and call we. You know what I mean? And we do with you and we do a little thing and we left back in the stage. Them time them, me no want 8-ball jacket, pretty 8-ball jacket them time there. Seeing? So I'm pretty on the stage, well bright. Ninjaman goes up and beat out Cho and Ray and, you know, let it go. And come back and come stand upside of me. And I say, yo, there, I'm nah go back on the stage, you know. But some little woman there want to see about the Gorgon and them I say, oh, Ninja. Selector say, Ninjaman. And Ninja say, yo, I'm not go back on the stage. On the stage, them people are not vibes, you know. I never go back on the stage. Brother, people, you see the next about second. Mungier, boom! Gunshot bust off in a little place, you know. You see me go so? And I look to my left so. I don't see where Ninjaman turn, you know. The man disappear from me again. The man disappear like a real ninja. I don't see where the man. Then the brother, when I notice, I see a brother in the place with him going in the ears and when I walk and little about 3 more and I say, yo, come on, disrespect bad man. I want to ninja. I disrespect man. So the man I walk and I bus off. Remember, so the one little ceiling place I tell you about it though. Me I want to shut all people upstairs to ride because it come like a some house. It's like some apartment upstairs. For real. Place scatter and everybody start run. Seeing? That's why I start think quick now and go so boom. And take off my jacket. Because remember I the touch stage for one tune with the Gorgon, you know. I have to take off my jacket fast and put it inside out on the inside. Full black now and put it on back. Because it was kind of chilly weather and around. Winter, I come to the end in a winter. So the weather is kind of chilly. Plus I can't take out, you know, so it's colder than even New York. So I go to boop and slip my thing and take time walk past the man them and walk out. And when I go to boop and walk out, I'm going to boop and go link the man them down on the road where they park up. Jump back in the vehicle and head to New York. The way I find out say there's some guard man them, you know. See, them time there, a guard man them I run Connecticut, you know. See, I forgot what they said about they used to name, you know. They used to have a name that them time. I forgot what them call themselves. But some guard man them. See, but we shot back and come to New York and say, yo, I don't even think I go back and Connecticut from that. Maybe one other time. We didn't go back. Me not go back and cut. Maybe one time after that. See, so I only for thing one man and we touch back in a New York and thing and I laugh about it said speed. Alright now. We're not going to hear me I jump back and forth more time, you know, because as the thing them forward to my head, you know. I just tell them, you know. You see Bad Cabra same way. You see after that show that when him stand up on the stage with Ninjaman and go on good. The next day him come check Ninjaman over the hotel, you know. See? And Ninjaman love keep up him abs house, you know. Here Ninja, yo, so in the one Cabra forward. Want to do search him. See? Search him down with the machine them. Come and talk about shot a kill. Make him know say, yo, man a real bad man. So the whole will laugh about it and Cabra forward come at the hotel sir. Trust me, if Cabra watches right now, he must remember them things there. I know it's not a lie we I tell. See it? Cabra forward in the hotel come give Ninjaman a link. See it? And when Cabra step in the hotel room, you know, I be a machine him see rise and what's the Cabra stand up right there so and man search all mad Cabra and Cabra sees that chimble like leave. And Ninjaman a laugh. See it? And Ninjaman say, yo Cabra walk and we just mess with him still. But Cabra chimble like leave, you know when them see the machine them. See, we just mess with him still, I will laugh it off and Ninjaman reason and think I dig and and see, so the thing come on, Cabra do say, yo, Ninjaman a real gangster. Them man they know, the artists them know that, because Ninjaman, them man they love the gangster thing from Jamaica and the whole world know that already, see? Them man they are real gangster. As you don't know, as I said earlier, Ninjaman, them man they smoke a whole heap of coke them time, because them time they are not hide and seek. And Ninjaman himself tell us, yeah, you know what I mean? Remember said Ninjaman, the New York, the US, them say them, when him there, you know, them say want him to go to rehab and all of them things that Ninjaman refuse and say, nah, I'm gonna rehab. Why after me not a cokehead, after me not a junkie, me not gonna rehab and thing and rehab. And even that, but them they tell him say him have to leave out of New York, you know, because he never want to do a rehab and all them things there. And so come Ninjaman didn't even end up leave out of New York. I'm gonna show you how much the people them love the Ninjaman, man, and the most love artists as some said earlier, you know. I don't think say no other artists, the people them love Ninjaman like that. Because them man give a whole heap of money, you know. See? In them time, you know, a Rasta brother named Ethan, big top man, big top producer. youngster to one them thing, the hustler, big timer. Him start to produce Ninjaman, you know. See? Ethan, them time they on Pennsylvania and Lavonia. For the man who they are New York and know about Brooklyn thing. See? And that's how Ethan used to have him ends. And time they go in them places, them time they, highest grade. I chop up on board, highest. See? Then one time, what's up and go link up Ethan and me and Ninja and Rambo, and as I always say, I always a show most of it. Sometimes Sherlock comes spar with it. See? I was a boop and left the ends and we have some weed pan way. Them time they, you know, you smell all them weed there, you know. Real skunk come from California skunk, you know. See? You find out all 2 pound, all 1 pound of wool in a 2 gallon size bag, you know. The way them thing, the fluffy, you know. See? But we have something pan way and thing and a driver come in. I don't know if the police them watch the ends and see when we come out there and them because a boop and pull we over a little distance from the place and pull we over. Them time the ninja body that big long trench coat reach way look as so gonna ugly, you know. See? Yeah, cause so got him move both time, you know. Like he was a western, you know. Yeah. And the police them goes boop and stop we and goes a boop and say, yo, any gun in the vehicle and I say, no. And I tell you say, some white police them, you know. And I tell you say, one of them look and him goes a boop and him say, wait, it's a Ninjaman. Police know a Ninjaman. You see from that the whole thing changed. Them never bother search you again. The man them get excited and them tell them friend them say, yo, this is Jamaican celebrity man, a Ninjaman man. See? Anyway, the man them say, well, them search the vehicle, they can search and them find the weed and thing and put the weed on the ground. The man them in the bag and drop it on the ground and them talk to we and say, alright, you can't go on, you're good to go. You're a ninja now to the police. Officer, somebody can't get by the weed. The man them said, no man, go on about your business. No, you can't get it back. They didn't know say we brave enough for drive up and circle around back the road and come back at the spot to come save the body have it there. But the body take them grade and guard, man. Because one of the police when they move me and go and say, he must say, damn! You know what I mean? Them take that and gone with it, man. See? So we just call it a loss and we just boop and get back more grades because that's what I say. Them think there wasn't a problem to get grades. Another incident one time again, you know. Another thing again. One time we got a boop and because Ninjaman not drive, you know, when him there, you know. Ninjaman, him not drive. See? We always drive. Is either me or drive or Sherlock. But him not drive. He's a man just sit down in the passenger seat. Yeah, the Gorgon and that. See? While drive go down Eastern Parkway one day time. I was stop at one stoplight. Well, I towards me about like I go towards National. I go down. Stop at a stoplight. And a girl goes a boop at the stoplight and look over and goes on. Say Ninja! And jump out our vehicle at the stoplight, you know. Run come over there on the Gorgon. And say Ninja man, I make up big things, Ninja. Then I know say, we don't know where people start to come from, man. The place, nothing can, a roadblock. Then I know that some police have to come find out what's going on here. And the people must say, Ninjaman, man. And the man must say, alright, but you guys blocking the road, you guys cannot block the road. See? And I saw come, the whole thing gets clear up. But one good 5 minutes, the road block right there. So people just start to surround the Gorgon and show him be love. Be excitement. See, now them way the people love Ninjaman. I'm telling about the thing. The New York flex and Ninjaman. People love Ninjaman in Jamaica, but me never demong him in Jamaica like that. Yes, so me and him spar. So I'm telling you the New York segment and the love and the respect what Ninjaman get. See? Yeah, man. I saw the thing go, man. One time again, we was a boop and we and Sherlock a flex a time and now. Sherlock have a Pontiac with a sunroof them time there. Open sunroof and a little man is like him come bring some cocoa, come for Ninjaman and Ninja send him money and him not come back. The Ninja said we go look for him. So we go circle and we go look for him and we not find him and we see our brother stand up and the man say, hey, and he man say, yo, me not see him. And the man say, yo, tell him say, Ninjaman did there, you know. And the man say, alright, Gorgon, and boom, and Sherlock start drive off. He said the man a drive off, won't give boom! So we go to realize Ninjaman push him gun through the sunroof and bust off one. Here Sherlock though, Steve though. Yo, Ninjaman, what that man? Here the Gorgon. You hear me say, shut attack. I want him to you, Sherlock. Our God again. And nothing come like nothing come back tell us Ninjaman love the gun thing. See? Another time we're in a Queens again and see Sherlock again. We go up on the ends and I move off. Because Sherlock is a man who wear glasses, you know. Sherlock glasses them thick, you know. Sherlock eye them are really good, you know. Film glasses them thick. See? While I left Queens one night, and you know, so Queens Road them kind of narrow. In the in street them, you know, like the community. Think over Jamaica Queens with it. The road them kind of narrow. When I car park up on the two side, them narrow. See? Sherlock I go so boop on a drive off and I go to I'm going to the man lick up about 3 mirror, you know. And lick out the people in mirror, you know. Yeah, Ninjaman, but wait. Them tell Sherlock name Steve, him right name as Steve, you know. Yeah, Ninjaman, yo, wait, a Stevie wonder this. And most Stevie wonder this, yo, Ninjaman is a drama man. Them man does fine things, so them man, you can't bore when you're amongst their body. See, you can't bore. Them man they spend enough money. So them man they make money, and so them man does give it away. Them man does make all money off a stage and does. Go back out the road and does. Him does give it away. You need to make money, them say, yeah man, does give it away. Kindness artist. Me I telling you about that. So Ninjaman stay. Enough money him give away in a New York City. See? So the people them love him. And care for him and miss him right now. See? Him that Jamaica lock up right now. And I know say the people them want to see him right now. One of the year, them born in 95. Them time the Ninja, I think I want Nissan Pathfinder, Ninja did have. Just have it still, but and him not drive still, as what I say. See? I will park up one time and man them thief the vehicle, you know. I guess I never know it's a Ninja. But them time they only for rabbit thief, man a thief vehicle, them time there, you know. See? Thief the vehicle, Ninjaman have him going in there. And him got some money in the vehicle. See? Would have built more again, you know. Like the night, it happened, them thief carry in the day, and at the night, something they want to build. Because regular, I say, oh, would have built more, you know. Enough dance I keep, enough party I keep, and the man always bring Ninjaman to come past through. Ninjaman could mash it up the place and nice up the vibe. Ninjaman touch upon stage and say, yo, I want to tell them boy they say, who thief my vehicle, them can keep the vehicle and keep the money, but bring back my gun. The whole place back, yo, the way the man love God bad, that's the way the man they talk, the whole place smash up. My man say, yo, bring back my gun, my 45. Keep the money and the vehicle, I don't want it, but bring back my gun. See? I saw them body love the gun bad, I saw them body does, but the man not going keep on my arms house thing with people, and I just love them man, they show what him love gun thing. See? But the man just show the people them love and respect, and people them show him about that. Because as a help, the man help enough people. That's what I'm saying in the streets in New York City. We go all about, we go Jersey, we go all about pan show. All about pan show. Ninjaman, them man, they alone are the only artists. We stand up on stage and never say nothing for the first 10 minutes and the place a boss. The man just post on stage so. And a be nice and make the man just change all the pose and give them the other side so. Be nice all 10 minutes straight and you know say I heard it. And I be forward. Which other artists can do that? I don't see no other artists can do that right now. I never see that yet. And Ninjaman alone do them things. You see? The original than Gorgon. You see all the uptown with all of the hotel. Because when I say, I'm going to hear me a jump round, you know. Executive in. Remember, so we always have machine pan ends, you know. See? You see when all inspection and go on for the hotel. Some Colombian, some Italian brother used to run the hotel there. I forgot what the main brother name, you know, but them are Italian. You see when all inspection go on, them man come and take all the machine them, you know, and go hide them and go put them up, you know. For Ninja, you know, put them up for it till the inspection come and done and pass and give back the machine them, you know. I saw them man, they respect and rate Ninjaman, you know. See? Some Italian brother, you know, rate the guy and enough money they make off a Ninjaman. Because when I tell you, say Ninjaman, over 2 years straight, at this for him lay. And him not have one room in the sun either. See? And the only man stand up on our stage and just look on all the girls and hypnotize her with them eyes them. Because the man has some eyes of it. Hypnotize them. Where do you think how them girls end up? Back at the hotel, man. I saw Ninjaman's a man stay on stage, man. The man use his eyes and pose and look so. But I tell you, oh my God! And the Gorgon that man. See, so, if you know, say, yo, Ninjaman respect tall and up there. Both yard and foreign. And right now, I'm locked up in Jamaica and then in Jamaica and locked up. And we see, man forward right now. We see cartel bust up the thing right now. See, my father's son bust up the thing right now. And Ninjaman time. And that I want to tell the Jamaica government, say, yo, free up Ninjaman. Because when they lock up Ninjaman, a foolishness. Because we don't even know really want to lock up the Gorgon for really. I'm telling you. Because when time when lock up Ninjaman, you know, that'd be a good thing the man do, you know. The man help people and I give all people house. The man is a man who does all, pick all. Anything fruit tree, because the man in the house of Jamaica, as I'm sure. The man have an orange tree and all them things there. The man just read all the tree and just go up on the road and just go give it away. I saw them man they see. Regular them go up at Richie Stevens' house, go read all them Richie Stevens mango tree. See, because about the love bag, you know. Richie Stevens, Richie animal bridging. Enough people them man one order, one umbrella. Ninjaman did forward in Jamaica. Them time there, him deport himself now, because it's a voluntary deportation, you know. Because Ninjaman say, no, rehab and all them things there, So them say, alright, I have to go, I have to leave. Voluntary deportation, Ninjaman. Enough people never know that. A week carry him by airport. See, a week go shopping for him and everything. See? That's what Ninjaman I say, the man like look to left him hotel room more time. I tell you that. See? We go shopping for the Gorgon. Them time that damage shoot me say around the place. Be a damage. See? Travel facts and all them shows there. And we go shopping for the Gorgon and send him back. Carry him by airport and put him on the plane. But there when all of them things are gone. See? Yeah, man. And big up Gregory right now. And Gregory Isaac is a man to whom I respect to. Although you see them man there, no left him stem all time. Because Gregory smoke a whole heap of coke too, you know. See, them man no left him stem. All time socks. Now Gregory is a man never have him stem. Walk with him stem in him socks. And them. As Gregory is a man, sit down anyway in them. The first thing him do is kick off him shoes them and take off him shoes. Because Gregory is a man wear some jinx, you know. Come like Gregory size 10 and want put in some size 9 gentleman, you know. Because Phoebe show them. Ever half a breeze out when him stop at first thing him do kick off him shoes. And take out all them stem anyway, light up all them stem. See? So I there run and see all of them things there. Dennis Brown. I witness all them three of them man, the Gregory Isaac, Dennis Brown, Ninjaman in a hotel. The three man them stays and all get high. Because Ninjaman when him get high, you know, Ninjaman get used like a can, you know. You know, like a Pepsi can. And when you pull it up and you drink it out and it empty, I write the same put in his mouth, you know. And down on the bottom of the can right there, so him bore him sink, make a little sink at the top. So this so and a little small fine hole in the sink. So when him go so and pull it, put all them cock up on the top and pull it, be a smoke all in the place. See? So we there run and see all them things in the hotel room as a youth, but them see them things there. See them watch all them and say blood, watch all them a three top artists them yeah. See? And the man that get high. The way the man get high more time the man get high and start all sing, you know. I sing about the eye, you know. See? Ninjaman I say, I'm going to shoot up all, wait him and stay more time, and Gregory start to sing back, him and go box out Ninjaman cannon. I be a job when them smoke. I be a job box themselves, you know. See? I would them amongst them things and I watch all them vibes as a youth. See? But nevertheless, we still love Ninjaman, see, make a real artist. See? So I just make you know something about Ninjaman. See? See, one of the realest artists. The kindest artist, the most loved artist from Jamaica is the original gold teeth, front teeth, than Gorgon, Ninjaman. See? When if you don't know, as Ziggy Bless said that, you write that so, Pan Ziggy says, see? So make sure so, you follow the thing, subscribe to the channel, see? So you can know what go on each time we drop thing, see? And so the thing will go. Share up the thing, talk about the thing, left on a comment. See, from the love Ninjaman, I see some comment for the Ninjaman fans them out there. And if anyone know anything about the Gorgon, any experience you want to have, leave it down in the comment. I could know that was my experience with Ninjaman. Right as in New York City. See? So just keep it locked until next week. Alright? I saw the thing go. Ziggy said, I'm out.